Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. I'm back out here with the J35, and this time I'm going to try to remember to have the higher rates activated when I'm trying to fly this thing and test how tight it turns. So this plane is a pretty decent flyer. It was flying very close to the way that the other F-35 that I have flies, and I think it probably can turn better if I activate. Dropped it down. It hit a little awkward there, but if I activate this button right here, which changes the rates, so it gives you higher rates. When you press this button, you get a 2 beep sound from this transmitter to let you know that you activated the high rate. And I did not remember to do that last time, so I'm going to try to do that off the bat right now. So let's plug in this thing. Plug in the plane. Sit the plane down on a level spot. Let's try to make sure it's a little more level than that. Up and down. Okay, so now we're going to hit this. There we go. So now it's in the B mode there, and it's in second rate, which is the high rate. So let's try it now. A little windy out here. Hopefully it can fight this wind. I was just out here with another bird, and it wasn't as windy, but let's see. Yes, it turns tighter, y'all. I can see that it turns tighter. It started going up in the air on me. This plane doesn't have the same power that the other one has, though. I can tell. I can see that. So it's not as fast. But it is a nice flyer, though. Check it out. Yeah, it turns tighter, but it looks like it's about to stall when you have it this way. Oh, I forgot to mention that I did adjust the control horns to the most that you can get with it. And so now it flies like this. Turns tighter. It seems like it definitely dips more. But it's turning. I like it, y'all. Sheesh, it looks like it almost wants to turn upside down. So you gotta give it a lot of throttle when you're turning tight like that, to make sure that this plane does not go down or stall on you. And you gotta climb with it. Make sure you're up in the air. It flies nice. Oh, it definitely turns. It dips to the side a lot more than the other one that the F-35 does. So you can turn it tighter, but I'm not sure if you would want to try to fly this in a small space because of the power. You know, it being an EDF and all. I'm trying not to turn it too hard. I have to straighten out a little more, and I'm at full throttle right now. So, little learning curve to flying this plane. I like the way it flies. Again, mine does not need nose weight. It doesn't go up in the air too much. It actually tends to want to go down, dive on you. Let's see how it glides. Glides pretty well. This plane is a keeper, y'all. Liking the way that it flies. It can turn on a dime. You have to make sure you're giving it throttle though. I'm not sure if this plane has an LVC warning, so you got to keep track of how long you're flying it. Of course, it beeps every minute to let you know how long to help you with remembering how long you're flying it. Woo, we were dipping right there. Let's turn it back this way, and let's bring this plane in for a landing. Actually, let's see if we can fly it slow, giving it light throttle. Yeah, it can fly slow. And all I'm liking the way this plane flies. You can turn it all the way on its side to make sure this plane flies and turns tighter. Look at that. Wow. Let's try to bring it in for a landing. Try to bring it in for a soft landing around here. Oh. Dipping down too low. Okay, let's go. Nice easy landing. Man, this plane is a winner, y'all. The J35. Awesome little plane. EDF 35mm from AliExpress. I think I paid 77 bucks for this bird here. Plus tax. Free shipping. Thanks for watching.